Are you struggling to keep up with the fast evolving world of cryptocurrencies? Do you find it challenging to track your investments, analyze market trends, or manage your portfolio effectively? In this video, we're going to solve this by showing you the top 5 free crypto tools that can transform your crypto journey. These are the same tools used by top traders and investors to stay ahead of the game. By the end of this video, you will have the essential resources you need to maximize your crypto gains and make informed decisions. But before we get started, subscribe if you haven't. And now let's get started. First on our list is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is one of the most well-known tools for tracking the price, the market cap and trading volume of the cryptocurrencies. Let me show you some of the main features. When you visit CoinMarketCap, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies ranked by market cap. You can click on any coin to get detailed information including price chart, historical data and a list of exchanges where it's traded. One of the best features is the watch list, where you can add your favorite coins and get real-time updates. It's a great way to stay on top of market trends. To create watch lists, simply click on the start icon next to the coin you want to track. To access your watch list, go to the watch list tab on the top menu. Here you can see all your selected coins and their current market status. For detailed analysis, click on a coin to view the price charts and historical data. You can customize the chart by selecting different time frames and chart types. For additional details such as getting a token contract address, scroll down on the contract section. You can find the contract address for different blockchains here. To check the market cap of a coin, simply look at the market cap section on the coin's main page. This gives you an idea of the coin's total market value, which is crucial to understanding its size and influence in the market. Next up, TradingView. TradingView is a powerful charting tool used by traders worldwide. To get started with TradingView, create an account and open the charting tool. Select a cryptocurrency pair to analyze. Use the toolbar on the left top and drawing tool and technical indicators. Customize your chart by changing the time frame and chart type. Follow other traders by visiting the idea section and join discussion to learn from the community. Next up is DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is a comprehensive analytics platform focused on DeFi projects. Here's how it works. On DeFi Llama, you can track the total value locked TVL in different DeFi protocols. The homepage shows you the top projects and you can click on each to see detailed stats like liquidity, volume, and protocol growth. One cool feature is the multi-chain support, allowing you to compare DeFi projects across different blockchains. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get involved with DeFi or passive income opportunities. To explore DeFi projects, start by visiting the homepage and selecting a project from the list. Click on the project's name to view detailed statistics, including TVL, liquidity, and growth trends. Use the chain tab to compare the project's performance across different blockchains. These multi-chains comparison help you to identify the most promising DeFi opportunities. Moving on DEXTools. DEXTools is an essential platform for anyone trading on decentralized exchanges. Let's take a look at its features. DEXTools offers a wide range of tools for analyzing token pairs, tracking trades, and monitoring liquidity on decentralized exchanges. You can use it to set alerts, follow your favorite pair, and even see the most popular tokens. It's a powerful tool for anyone involved in decentralized trading. To start using DEXTools, search for a token pair to view detailed information about its trading volume, liquidity, and recent trades. You can set price alerts by clicking on the bell icon next to the token pair. Customize your dashboard to follow multiple pairs and stay updated on market movement. Next up is CoinStats. CoinStats is a portfolio management tool that helps you track your crypto investment. Let's check out its feature. With CoinStats, you can connect your wallet and exchanges to get a comprehensive view of your portfolio. It provides real-time market data, detailed analytics, and even supports DeFi tracking. You can set price alerts to get notified when your favorite coins hit certain price, and the news section keep you updated with the latest happening in the crypto world. It's an all-in-one tool for managing your crypto assets. And there you have it, our top 5 free powerful crypto tools that can elevate your blockchain experience, whether you're a trader, investor, or just blockchain enthusiast. These tools provide the data and insights you need to stay ahead in the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto insights and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.